Layers in Adobe Animate CC. Layers are like transparent sheets that can hold objects and are stacked on top of each other. Layers are useful while developing a big animation movie. When you have to use a number of objects, it is always better to distribute the objects in different layers as it makes the work process much easier. Layers allow you to organize the artwork, animations and other elements of your movie. You can draw and edit objects on one layer without affecting the objects on another layer. Although you can activate one layer at a time, yet you can select more than one layer at once. You can add a number of layers, hide and lock the layers, change the position of the layers, delete the layers and even customize the layers as well. When you add an object in a layer, the file size increases. The standard view of a layer is shown in the figure. Students, let's first understand how to select a layer. To make a layer active, either select the layer in the timeline or select a stage object in the layer. The active layer is highlighted in the timeline and is indicated with a keyframe navigation controller icon. Students, let's know more. .swf is an animate output file that is developed while testing or publishing an animate movie. Okay, now let's learn how to rename a layer. Method 1. Click on the layer which you want to rename. Double-click on the layer name and type the new name. Method 2. Right-click on the layer name. Select the Properties option from the context menu. Or choose Modify then Timeline then Layer Properties from the menu. The Layer Properties dialog box appears. Type the new name in the name text box and click OK. Students, note the fact, always name the layers with a short meaningful name that indicates the type of content stored in it. To add layers, do one of the following. Click on the New Layer button at the bottom of the timeline. Or select the Insert then Timeline then Layer. A new layer appears above the selected layer and the new layer becomes the active layer. Students, let us take a quick quiz. What is a layer? Students, let's do an activity. Choose the line tool and draw the fence as layer shown in the figure. Click on the Fill Color box and select the required color. Choose the Paint Bucket tool and click inside the fence. Rename Layer 1 as Fence. Add a new layer and double-click on the layer name. Type Elephant as the new name for the layer and press the Enter key. Draw an elephant by using the tools from the Tools panel. Save the file using the Ctrl+S key combination.